Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Let me ask you this. What if investing felt as effortless as using your favorite app, with features designed for everyone from beginners to experienced investors? That's the promise behind Public.com, a platform that's not only simple but also brings a fresh, community-driven twist to investing. In today's Public.com review, I'll dig into what makes this app stand out. Whether you're new to investing and looking to get started, or looking to explore unique asset classes like music royalties and fine art, this platform offers some seriously impressive tools. It's all about accessibility and innovation, and I think it could be a great app for anyone looking to build or diversify their portfolio. And my opinion seems to be reflected in Public.com's online ratings. Public has racked up an impressive 4.7-star rating on the App Store from more than 72,000 reviews, and that says a lot about how users feel about it. After I spent a good deal of time digging through these reviews, what's clear is that people love the platform's simplicity and its ability to make investing approachable for everyone, no matter their experience level. Another reviewer called Public.com a must-have for millennials, and I couldn't agree more. The app makes it ridiculously easy to start investing, even if you're working with just a few bucks. Fractional investing means you can buy into companies for as little as $5, which, let's be real, is such a low-pressure way to get started. Plus, the way the platform is designed feels really intuitive. It's built for everyday people, not just financial experts. What I find especially unique is Public's social aspect. You can follow other investors, share ideas, and even learn from their trades. It's like having a built-in network of peers to help you make smarter decisions. For me, that sense of connection really sets Public apart. Investing doesn't feel like such a solo activity here, and I think that's a breath of fresh air in a space that can honestly get a bit lonely at times. Now I want to dive into the features that really make Public.com stand out. To me, this platform goes beyond the basics in some pretty exciting ways. First up, there's a huge variety of investment options. Public lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, and crypto, which is already a solid lineup, but they didn't stop there. You can also invest in alternative assets like music royalties and fine art. I mean, how often do you see an app offering fractional shares of a hit song or a piece of rare art? It's perfect if you're looking to diversify your portfolio with assets that aren't tied directly to the stock market. Then, there's their AI-powered tool, Alpha, which to me is basically like having a research assistant in your pocket. You can ask Alpha questions about specific stocks or trends and get instant data-driven answers. It's not just about knowing what's happening, it's about understanding why. Plus, Public has features like income breakdowns and AI-generated earnings summaries, which help you see the bigger picture when managing your portfolio. Personally, the fact they are incorporating the latest tech shows me they are going to keep up with the times and have staying power. Another feature I really love is their investment plans. If you're the type of investor who likes to set it and forget it, this is a lifesaver. You can create a custom plan, pick a mix of stocks, ETFs, and crypto, and set up recurring contributions. Public will handle the rest. It's automation, but with way more control than you usually get from other apps. If you don't want to do your own research, they have pre-built custom themes you can choose for things like dividends, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. And if you're into bonds, they've got that covered too. You can now lock in yields with a diversified portfolio of investment-grade and high-yield bonds. If you don't already know about the benefits of bond investing, they are a great way to hedge against volatility, especially if you're looking for stable returns. If you don't want to invest in the market right now and would prefer to sit on the sidelines until prices come down a bit, Public has you covered. They offer a high-yield cash account, so you can put your money to work until you are ready to dive into the market. If you are an income investor, I think you will love the Income Hub. It shows you exactly where your income came from and projects your future income to help you plan. This is just one of the many small but powerful features offered by Public.com. Okay, let's move on to pricing. Public's basic account is completely free, and you can access most of the core features without spending a dime. That's a big win for casual investors. But if you're looking for advanced tools and insights, they offer Public Premium for $8 a month. With Premium, you get some really powerful perks. For one, you can trade during extended hours, which is huge if you want to make moves before or after the standard trading day. You also unlock advanced data tools, like in-depth performance metrics and exclusive breakdowns of market events. Personally, I think these insights are worth it, unless you are working with a very, very small portfolio. On top of that, Premium gives you those investment plans offered, fee-free, along with VIP support if you ever need it. The best part? If your account balance hits $50,000, Premium is free. For $8 a month, or nothing if you're investing big, it's a great value for those who want to take their portfolio to the next level. And here's a huge one. You can get up to a $10,000 bonus for switching over from another broker. That bonus is based on the size of the account you switch over. Of course, they aren't going to give away $10,000 to just anyone, but it can still be a big addition. Make sure to follow my sign-up link in the description to see how large of a bonus you can get for switching. Now, to wrap this up, is public.com worth your time and money? Honestly, I think it depends on what you're looking for. If you're someone who's just starting out and wants an intuitive platform to help you read your investing goals, Public's free account has everything you need to get going. It's intuitive, community-focused, and offers an incredible range of assets. For those of you who are more experienced and want advanced tools or features like extended hours trading, I think Public Premium is absolutely worth the $8 monthly price tag. The level of detail you get with the insights and the added convenience of automation makes it feel like a solid investment in itself to me. At the end of the day, Public.com stands out because it's accessible, transparent, and constantly evolving. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, it feels like there's something here for everyone. I definitely recommend checking it out. You might just find it's the perfect platform for your investing journey. Thanks for watching. As always, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more reviews like this one. Happy investing!